And I am not you. They talk about disclosure on the news. Said there are 4 races of aliens. Who knew? The news and friends tell you a story, never a straight answer, just like NASA. So we went to the moon and never returned. The flashes in the sky, whether balloons or drones. When will they release the truth, you ask? When will they tell us what is really going on? What about Area 51? Why is it top secret? What are they hiding, you ask? What do you think? Questions, questions everywhere I go. Everybody talks, but nobody seems to know. Round and round the stories spin. Tell me where the truth begins. Leave me alone and I'll be just fine. Living in my own reality, living my own life. I don't need your opinions on what I should believe. You are not me, and I am not you. Leave me alone and worry about yourself. Stay out of my business and work on yourself. Why judge, why push fear and hate when you don't even know my fate? Do you think I when scientists invent new projects that assist humanity in goodness? Help the environment, help our food, maybe make things better for me and you? You buy a banana and have to wash it. Open a tomato and sanitize it. Open a head of lettuce and see worms inside. Then look up at the sky and ask yourself why. Look up and see foggy chemical clouds. What about the EMF frequencies blasting our towns? Never mind all that, they say stay indoors. You'll come out of this just fine, are you sure? Watch the news, they said there are 4 aliens and they have no idea what they want from us. Why are they here? Where did they come from? Leave me alone and I'll be just fine. Living in my own reality, living my own life. I don't need your opinions on what I should believe. You are not me, and I am not you. Leave me alone and worry about yourself. Stay out of my business and work on yourself. Why judge, why push fear and hate when you don't even know my fate? What would you do if you saw one in your backyard? What would you say to the alien? Would you scream in fear and piss your pants, or would you simply say hello? I live in constant fear of something happening. Do you think this is your only life? What will happen when you die? Where are you going? To the heaven in the clouds? Are you gonna float on a cloud forever? What if you fall through the cloud and land in the ocean full of sharks? And if they eat you alive, will you go back to heaven again? Nobody seems to ask these questions. Nobody seems to want to know. Why are you born a sinner when you're only 5 years old? Why does the church call you a sinner and tell you that you must obey? Tell the pastor all your prayers, he'll be sure to report them all to God for you. Confess all your sins, you sinner, give away all your power and soul. You said a cuss word and God forbid you take communion. Everything is controlled in a simulation reality, or at least that's how it feels. Leave me alone and I'll be just fine. Living in my own reality, living my own life. I don't need to hear your opinions anymore. I don't need your fear knocking at my door. You are not me, and I am not you. Your path is yours and mine is mine too. Go on with the judgment and ignorance if you must, but I'll keep searching, questioning, and trusting myself.